Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at YEEZY 350 V2 MX Rock. Originally released in 2021 for $220, these kicks boast a comfortable primed knit upper that hugs your foot and a lightweight, bouncy adidas boost, sole for all-day comfort. As for sizing, I recommend going up a size for optimal comfort. The exciting news is that this colorway is restocking on the Adidas Confirmed app now. It's important to note that with Adidas ended its collaboration with Kanye West, so this is clearance of stock. So if you've had your eye on these, this might be your last chance to grab them for retail price. Before the current drop, these sneakers were reselling for around $320. Now, with the restock happening, it'll be interesting to see if the price stays high or dips a bit. We'll have to keep an eye on it. So, what do you think about this YEEZY restock? Are you planning to cop a pair? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Now, let's take a closer look at these sneakers themselves.